in this video I will show you how to fix screen want to turn on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart by just click on hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. After you click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset factory setting. Click on reset and enter phone pin. Click on continue and click on delete all. After you click on delete all, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.